popular card trick. It's called the Royals card trick because... So I know I love it, and now after I teach you how to do it, I hope you will too. My mom and dad really liked it, and it blew their minds. I think this card trick has a really good effect, so let's get into this. So what I got here are all the Royals except the Jacks, and I'm going to ask my spectator to select a card now. So. Then I'm going to put him back, and I'm going to do the in-jogging and out-jogging process, which I will teach you in the tutorial. So, just like that. And then I will ask the spectator, do you see your card in this? So my spectator says yes. So then I'm going to put it back and do the out-jogging one more time. Like that. Then I'm going to ask again, do you see your card in this? Then the spectator says yes one more time. So do that. And I'm going to do the out jogging and in jogging again one last time. So, and then we ask again, do you see your card in this? And and my spectator says no. So, and now my spectator will not be telling me the card, but the cards will know what the card is. So I'm gonna deal the cards right here. And then I'm gonna ask the cards, is the spectator's card a king or a queen? And they say it's a king. Then I'm gonna deal them again. Then I ask cards, is the spectator's card a red king or a black king? It's a red king. And I ask the last question, which suit is the spectator's card in? It's in the suit of diamonds. So therefore, your card is the king of diamonds. Yay! So I hope you enjoyed this card trick, and if you did, stay tuned for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed the card trick, and now I will be teaching you the tutorial. So, so there is a sleight setup for this card trick, and that is you have to put all the Royals, except the Jacks, in chased order, which would mean on the bottom should be the Queen of Diamonds, and on the top, the King of Clubs. So let me show you. So the Queen of Diamonds, Queen of Spades, Queen of Hearts. So I'm telling you from the bottom, so Queen of Diamonds, Queen of Spades, Queen of Hearts, Queen of Clubs, King of Diamonds, King of Spades, King of Hearts, and then on top, King of Clubs. Okay, so once you have that in position, you ask if you have a spectator to choose a card. For the tutorial, let's just choose one together. Let's say the Queen of Clubs right here. And then what you're going to do is the in-jogging and out-jogging process. So how you do that, let me show you right here. So you take the first card on top, then you take it like, you slide it off with your thumb, you take it with your other thumb, and you move it down. So you take the first card, and you move it down, just like that. Then you take second card, up. Then third card goes down. Then fourth card goes up. Then fifth card goes down. Then sixth card goes up. Then seventh card goes down, and then eighth card goes up. And then when you ask, when you want to ask that, so after you're done with the out jogging, you take the top cards, or the above cards, or the out jogged cards. You take them just like this. So you hold the corner, and you just pull them out, and you leave the rest aside. You make sure, before you ask the spectator, do they see your card in this? Make sure there are 4 cards, not 3, not 5, because if it's something else than 4, then the trick won't work. So then you ask them if you see the card. For us, we do not, because our card is the Queen of Clubs. So we're going to take these, and then if they say that they do not see it in the pile they show you, then you take the pile that you never showed them, and you put it on top of everything. But if they say they do see it, then you put the pile you showed them on top. Whichever pile has their card in it goes on top for the first round. So then I'm going to do the out jogging and in jogging process again. It's down, up, and so on. Then you take the out jogged cards again. Then you ask them, do you see your card? For us, again, we will say no because we do not see the Queen of Clubs in this. So then we'll put it back. For the second round, the pile with their card in it goes on the bottom. So since we do not see your card in the pile I showed, then that means it has to be in the other one. So that one goes on the bottom, just like that. And then the third round, we do the out jogging and in jogging process one more time. Just like that, you take the out jogged cards. And then we show again, and this time we do see it, Queen of Clubs. And then the third time it goes on top again. So do see it, so it goes on top. And then it's just a self-working card trick. So you take all the cards you have, then you deal them left to right. Make sure it's left to right. So left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Then you just act saying like, all the cards will know what your card is. Then you take the right pile and you show the bottom card. And the question you ask is the spectator's card a king or a queen? And for us, it says queen, which is correct. Put that there. Then you take the left pile and you deal it again left to right. So if you want, so it'll be like this: out, middle, out, middle. Then you take the middle pile, and the question is it red or black? So then we flip it, and for us it says it's black, which is correct. Whatever color this card is, that's the color it's saying. And then for this, you deal it left to right again, or you can just like slide this card over here. Doesn't matter. Then you take this card, and then you ask which suit is it in? And it's in the king, and then it's in the club suit. So therefore, our card is the Queen of Clubs. So that's how you do the card trick, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this, and if you stay tuned for more card tricks such as these, and if you like this, like and subscribe. Thank you.